in icing my knee for the last 25 years or more. It's towels, it's wet carpet, it's wet couches, it's hard to manage when you're travelling.
My name is Tim Whitehead. I'm an orthopaedic surgeon. I concentrate on knee surgery only, and I've been a knee surgeon now for 16 years.
So my name's Gary Pert. When I got out of hospital after the knee replacement, I know it's going to be a pretty brutal 6 months.
If you have knee surgery, you either get a bag of ice, which typically melts and turns into a bag of water, and it's completely ineffective. Or, you know, on occasion, some hospitals have other delivery systems of an ice brace, pretty much always attached to a cooling system with a cord and a tube, and then they're not particularly portable or mobile, and patients bedbound while they're getting their ice therapy. The RE3 brace is, in my view, unique in that it provides incredibly durable and effective cryotherapy, and it's portable, and it applies compression.
For those that don't live in this space, they'll think you're exaggerating, but when you're icing every day and you're dealing with pain every day, it's such a game changer to be able to grab a pack and just put it on straight away, and then the difference to my pain of my knee when I do that is substantial. I've got the choice, but I don't go to the painkillers, I go to the ice pack.
It's the absolute ideal delivery system for cryotherapy because my patients can use it before surgery to bring the knee under control before they have their surgery and reduce the hemarthrosis and reduce the swelling around the joint, but it's particularly useful after surgery.